Colleagues, I hope you'll assist when I break with the normal rules of not welcoming anyone during leaders, but today we have a very special welcome, and in giving a big warm Céad Míle Fáilte to an incredible young man, Mr. Austin Appelbee, aged 13. You may have heard of Austin's story from February this year, when he undertook an incredible act of bravery in Western Australia. In order to save the lives of his mother, Joanne, his brother Beau, and his sister Grace, Austin undertook a 4-hour, 4-kilometre swim, followed by a 2-kilometre run to contact emergency services, which ultimately led to everyone being rescued by emergency services. With an incredible feat, what an incredible feat, and we are delighted to have Austin and his family here today in the public gallery. You are most welcome.